new hang. Alrighty guys, it's Al. Come back to you with another video. We are here in the truck. Just showed up to the shop and wanted to do a little intro real quick. So today's a little treat. We got a new truck on the channel. Unfortunately, it's not my truck. It's a beautiful 04 regular cab short bed you're going to see in just a second. And you probably saw in the thumbnail. But that's actually Bailey's truck. He bought it down south. We're going to do a little overview on it. And actually, we have to work on it today. It has a cracked shackle hanger mount, the one that's on the frame. So we're going to tear the bed off and get that replaced, then throw it back together. Alrighty, so here she is. Here's the beauty. So this thing hasn't been started since October is when Bailey put it away for winter. And you're going to see this thing is beautiful. Yep, sell a kidney for this one. Yep, the inside is just as beautiful as the outside. Alright, well now that you've seen the nicest regular cab in existence, here's my junk. We're going to get this started up, pull it out, and throw Bailey's truck in here. Oh yeah, look at that freaking unit. Oh, regular cabs get me going. All right, junk box 3.0. Hopefully they play nice. God damn, that thing's clean. All right, so what the hell is this thing and why is it so clean?
Well, I bought it down south in Texas of 2020 while I was still active duty Air Force. Bought it from a gentleman who bought it from the previous original owner who bought it in 04. The old man that owned it, brand new, lowered it. The guy I bought it from had it lifted. So I lowered it back to factory height and I bought it with 87,000 miles on it. Now it has 105,000 miles.
Not too bad. It's pretty damn clean. So it's a regular cab short bed. It's an 04. It is a push button 4-wheel drive truck. It's got the power mirrors with the turn signals in it. And it's got the tan cloth, which Bailey knows is my favorite thing ever.
Pawpaw tan.
Pawpaw tan. So this thing is way too clean and it's way too nice to be in this shop, especially sitting in the same spot as my regular cab is. But yeah, for some weird reason, the leaf spring shackle hangers, which I will show you in just a second because I can't see them from without crawling underneath, they have a crack on the bottom of it. So we're going to try and pull the bed off and replace those today. And you guys are going to see this thing so clean you could eat off the frame. You know, this thing ain't that nice. It doesn't have puddle lamps. Oh my God. All right, so this one isn't, oh yeah, this one's cracked right there, right?
Crack?
Yeah, the crack's starting to make its way.
Yep. So
back here.
That's what we're going to try and replace today is this one is cracked here and then the other one's cracked in the center, right?
Yeah, the other one over here should be
Oh, yeah.
down the middle, on the back here. You can see it almost looks like it's back in here too.
Yeah, it does. And then there's one right here.
Yeah, so this one's cracked in 3 spots, and that one over there is cracked in 1. Why it did that, I don't know.
Junk. Whoa.
God bless Texas. Safety squints on.
All right, no broken bolts.
8 for 8.
8 for 8. All right, so we're dealing with wiring right now, and you can see there's the wiring distribution block back here. So the top middle is for the left taillight, and the bottom middle is for the right. So We undid those, and Bailey's truck actually has a backup camera, which is awesome. It's really convenient, nice to have, except when you're doing shit like this, because they got some aftermarket wiring in here that we got to undo. So yeah, you probably won't have to do that, but we're gonna get that done, and we'll be close to lifting bed off. Alrighty, so we got the truck back down on the ground. We're about, I think we're about 30 minutes in. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. 30 minutes in. Last thing you got to do is there's one push pin right here and two T30 Torx. Get your filler neck free. And I think we're going to grab some ratchet straps out of the truck and pick this up. All right, Bailey, what the heck did we do to your truck?
We pulled the bed off it.
And we're just going to keep parting it out, right?
Yeah, parting it out.
So we got the cab stand that I made for the original cab on the black truck, and it's working really good for the bed. So the bed is off. We're going to get that guy rolled outside, and then we're going to get old Strippy over here back on the lift, and we're going to start drilling out the rivets for the shackle mount. All right, so we got the truck backed in on the lift, and we pulled out the two bottom bolts on each side, or the one bottom bolt, one on each side. And then we pulled out the bolt right here. We're gonna drill out these three and throw in the new shackle hangers. Got the new shackle here, got 8 bolts, even though you only need 6. Clearly they don't know what they're doing. They just count holes and put bolts in bag. Over here, we finally got passenger side mount off. So that is on the ground there. Ended up having to drill it and then kind of hit it with a punch and a hammer. And then sometimes our drill would get sideways and we'd end up using like a deburring bit to eat down into it. So it's going along. It's fab work. It sucks, but it's doable. All right, here we are. We got driver's side all knocked out. So we found that if you use a smaller drill bit, like 3/8 or something like that, and then you work your way up to the bigger, then you can go to like a 1/2 inch. That works really good. If you just start with a 1/2 inch and try and get that guy to go all the way through, it doesn't really work as well. So the 3/8 and then stepping up to a bigger bit works really good. And then we got this side over here. We threw a little paint behind the bracket just so that the bare metal back there didn't rust between the bracket and the frame. Got this side all tightened up. This side is complete, and we're gonna finish out that side, and it's gonna be time to throw the bed back on this thing. Alrighty, so here we are. We got the new hangers and everything all bolted down. Everything's good to go. We're gonna get this pig pulled back inside, and we got the bed hanging already. Throw the bed back on. We got her backed in. Now here comes the fun of measuring a bed about 50 times to make sure it's all square and lines up good. And then we'll throw tailgate back on after that. Alrighty, got the bed all lined up. All 8 bolts are in. And we just got the filler neck, all 2 bolts here and the one little tab down there. Got that. Time for Zimbabwe.
A little chino in the top shelf.
Little chino, straight to the dome.
Straight to the dome.
So are you gonna give me a lip pillow?
All right, well, we're gonna get the wiring for Bailey's camera figured out. Tailgate back on. And this project is pretty much complete. Here we are, complete. Bed bolts are in, filler neck's in. We cut Bailey's wire for his camera, and that was a big, grave mistake. Big idiots. We're like, oh, stranded wire, it's not an optical cable. We're good. Well, it's a cable inside of a cable. So we spent much too much time and soldered that back together. It's working. So wires are tucked up. Don't put a backup camera on your old truck. And this project's pretty much complete. We're gonna lower down, clean up the absolute mess of tools and call her a day, I think. Got the black GMC back in here, and well, mission success. Wasn't too bad. Took us, what, 3.5 hours or so? 4 hours. My biggest piece of advice is start with small drill bits, work your way up, and let them do their work. We just tried to go at it right away with big drill bits, and didn't work so well, right? So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing one of Bailey's beautiful Southern trucks that is a rare gem to see up here. And until we see you guys next time, peace.